Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today I am going to teach you how to convert table into text in Word 2010. Just open Word document. Here you can see some data which are in table format. I want to convert this table into text. It will take time if I copy each cell and paste in below, but Word has an option which we can use to convert table into text. Just select table and go to the table tools. Here you can see layout tab. In layout tab you will find data, and in data you can use convert to text option. Just click here. It will ask you you want to use you want to separate text with tabs, columns, others and paragraph. I want to use tabs. Just click OK. Word will convert table into text in tab format. Here is a tab option. You can see you can easily convert table into text in Word 2010. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.